With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello student, here we have your question. If n square minus 11n plus 24 is equal to 0 is satisfied by n1 and n2 where n2 is greater than n1, then and there are some options given. Students, in the question, the given equation is n square minus 11n plus 24 is equal to 0, and this is a quadratic. So this quadratic has two roots. So solving for this equation, we have to factorize this equation. So for factorization, we know n square, this can be write as n square minus 24, we can write as 8n minus 3n plus 24 is equal to 0. From here we get two factors of this equation, n minus 3 and n minus 8, and these two are factors of this quadratic equation. From here we get two values of n. The first value is 3 and the second value is 3 and the second value of n is 8. And in the question it is given this equation has two values, n2 and n1, and it is given n2 is greater than n1, and in these two number 8 is greater than 3. So from here we get n2 as 8 and n1 as 3. So these two are value of n2 and n1. So and in the question these four options given where different values are asked and their relation asked. So first we proceed to our first option, which is given n square plus n2. If we calculate this, 3 square plus 8, 3 3 is 9 plus 8 is 17. So from here, and in the question asked, the value of n square plus n2 is prime number, and we know 17 is a prime number. So our option A is correct option. If we proceed to our second option, which is given, n1 and n2 minus n1. So from this we can write as our n1 is 3 and our n2 minus n1 is, so n2 minus n1 is 8 minus 3, which is 5. From here, and the question in option B asked n1 and n2 minus n1 are co-prime number, and we know the co-prime number are those number which have only one common factor, which is 1. So we can notice here 3 and 5 only one common factor, which is 3 and 5 has only one common factor, which is 1. So from here we can say here 3 and 5 are co-prime number. So it's also correct option. If we proceed to our option C is asked relation between n1 and n2 minus n1. If we write this, our n1 is 3 and n2 minus n1 is 5, and option C asked these two are twin primes number or not. The question asked these two are twin prime number or not, and we know that twin prime number are those number whose twin prime number are those number whose differ by 2. The prime number whose differ by 2, and 3 and 5 also prime number, and if we calculate their difference, 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2, and we can see here the difference of these two prime numbers is 2. So we can say 3 and 5 are twin prime numbers. So option C is also correct option. If we proceed to our last option, which is D, the last option is asked n1 plus n2 plus n1 n2, and first we calculate this. N1 is 3, n2 is 8, n1 and n2 is this. If we calculate this, the 3 plus 8 is 11, and 3 into 4 24. The overall sum is 35. So the sum of this expression is 35, and the sum of this expression is 35, and option D are this number has two divisors, and this number has two divisors, and divisors has two prime divisors. So if we write the divisors of 35, the divisors of 35 are 5 and 7, and 5 and 7 are prime number, which is in option D. So our option D is also a correct choice. So these are our answer. Thank you, students.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.